So today I am going to solve a linear equation in one variable. We'll be understanding what does it mean by the linear, and what does it mean by an equation having only one variable. So the linear equation means that the maximum power of any variable is one, and only one of the variables is present, no other symbol like A, B, or C might be present, only one of them will be present. It can be represented by any letter like A, B, C, or any alphabet. So let us take an example. So today, the linear equation I am going to solve is 1 over 2 minus 9 minus x over 11 is equal to 3x over 22. So there are various approaches to solve this equation. Now you can solve these two fractions by taking the LCM. So what will be the LCM of these two fractions? 2 11s are 22. So 22 will be the LCM. Now, or you can do one more thing. You can take this term which contains x to the other side. When it goes to the other side, we see that it has a minus sign here, but when it goes to the right-hand side, so this is the left-hand side, and when it goes to the right-hand side, it gets positive sign, right? So the sign changes. So we'll do today with this method, but with any method you follow, the answer must be the same, and answer can be checked by putting the value of x. So let us do it. So we'll take this term to the other side. So we always put the imply sign in the equation when we write down the steps. This means that whatever we are writing is coming from the above written equation. So we have taken the term 9 minus x over 11 to the right hand side, and it has changed its sign. So now we'll take the LCM. So what is the LCM? Lowest common multiple of 22 and 11. It's 22. So it will come out to be. Now, if the denominator is equal to the LCM, you need not worry. You can write the numerator straight away. But if denominator here, like here, it is not equal to the LCM, so we have to multiply the numerator with some number. What is that number? How do you find that number? Okay, we find that number by dividing LCM by the denominator of that fraction. Okay, so here the LCM is 22 and the denominator of the fraction in question is 11. So the number we have to multiply the numerator with is 2. So 2 will come and multiply with 9 minus x. Right? So what we'll get is 1 over 2, 3x plus, so we'll open the brackets, we'll multiply each term inside the bracket with plus 2, 18 minus 2x over 22. And we can see that 3x and minus 2x are like terms. So we can subtract them. 3x minus 2x is x plus 18 comes as it is, and 22. So now the next step would be the 22 is in division. It goes to the other side and gets multiplied. We have to basically isolate the x one by one. We cannot take 18 to the other side straight away because it is still in the brackets. It's like a bracket because 22 is the common denominator of x and 18, right? So we cannot take 18 unless we free it from 22. So we'll take 22 to the other side, it gets multiplied. And now we can see that 2 11s are 22. And we can see that now the 18 can also come on the left hand side. And but with the minus sign, of course, the sign changes. So the answer would be x is equal to 7. Or it can also be written as x is equal to -7. So